Hey guys, back here today with another video. So it was my birthday yesterday, so for me, and I actually got a new phone, which is what I'm recording with right now. And I also got this this pop figure. Well, figure, yeah, it's a pop. And yeah, we're gonna be doing an unboxing of right here, John Soap McTavish. Inside. So I really want this one, the all gillied up one, and I want the Juggernaut one, and yeah, I really want those two. So yeah, let's get started. Throw this away. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Okay. Yes, really, really nice designs. I love his camo vest, and but I don't like his haircut. Just weird. I just don't like it. I really like his features, like this gun. What is it? It's an assault rifle. The back. See? And then the camo vest, the gun. You can see his face. Oh yeah, make sure to subscribe to Sky Camera 2008 and Alex Rishi, because we're making a TV show, and yeah, we already have the first episode out. First episode's already out, so yeah, make sure to watch that, and we have the trailer out too if you want to watch the trailer first. So I mean, yeah, it's really cool. And that's all we have. I guess I have to throw these two away. Guess we have to throw these two away, so I'll put that to the side. And there you go. My poop figure. My funko pop. Dun, 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 dun. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you had a good day, and make sure to subscribe, like, and we're actually doing a giveaway, but not yet until we release the fifth episode of the Bloom. So yes, thank you for watching, and bye.